Is the screen visible to you? Yes. Okay. So the next point is
Yes, sir.
okay. 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 Good. So we'll start with next point from fifth unit, that is business model innovation. See, IoT includes number of things, right? And all they are collecting the information and sending this information to the, you can say, applications or the servers. What is the purpose behind this? That is what we are going to talk now. So if today I am wearing a smartwatch, which do have a number of sensors, right? And these sensors are working and they are calculating all the health of the body, or you can say some features of the body, and giving me the analysis. Just one example case study I'm telling you. So simple watch is also there now, but today the smartwatch is introduced, and what it does, we have to wear it, and once you wear, there are number of sensors attached to this smartwatch. And what these sensors are doing, they are sensing some in data related to some parameters, or you can say some physical organs. And collectively, they will get this information, and those information will be analyzed and given to us or the person who's wearing that. So, what is the purpose? I mean to say, what is the purpose of a customer from changing from simple watch to a smartwatch? The core purpose is simple. I want to get my current status of the body, health issues, right? So that I can take decision and I can take medicine or prefer doctors if something is wrong. And if everything is correct, then I will follow my normal routine, which keeps me uh, healthy. So the purpose is to take a decision, right? And if something is wrong, definitely I will consult it and take a decision whether to go to the doctor or change something, right? So this is the, you can say, business model innovation which has introduced by suppliers, by the industry, so that end users can take benefit of it. So if I am the organization, I am the industry which is manufacturing the watches, simple watches, I have accepted the innovation, and in my industry, I have accepted the innovation and I have changed my entire product and process also from simple watch to smartwatch. And whatever things are required to do this, all are implemented. The case study, this all concept is what I'm talking about as a business model innovation. So which refers to development of new, unique concepts which are supporting the organization's financial viability. Maybe my as an industry or financial organization, maybe my mission is to develop and get benefited. Also, bring the processes so that those processes, if I implement, I will get the results. And all this is your business model innovation, which refers to development of new, unique concepts, includes its mission and bring processes so that the processes will give you the better results. So I want better results. I'm not only limited to only to see the watch and the timing. No, I'm taking this watch. If I'm having an incoming call to on my mobile, and if my mobile is in the pocket, no need to um, go to the mobile and bring it on and see the screen. So just I will see my watch, and in my watch the notification will get displayed that whose incoming call it is. If I'm receiving a message, no need to again go to the mobile. Just I'll see the watch, and on that the message will be there. I'll just touch on that, and that message I can read here itself in the watch if it is important. You can imagine you are in between something. Suppose you are giving a presentation and one call is incoming to you. Okay, definitely it requires the synchronization between your phone and the smartwatch. But rather than getting disturbed, just I can take a look inside my watch and just see who's calling. If the call is not important, I can neglect it and I can continue my process rather than uh, paying much attention. So just as within seconds, just I can look and I can ignore the call if it is not important. Such features are there. So this is an innovation. And due to this, the finance of entire organization is going to change. The process which they are implementing are going to change. The mission is also going to change. Some new concepts will be there. Some new developments will be there. And as an organization, I will implement it. And this all entire process is called as a business model innovation. So primary goal, just now see, to get benefited, to get development, and to get benefited financially, or you can say process wise. So business model innovation primary goal is to realize new revenue sources. It means to generate money, revenue sources, to generate more money. So we see if already implementing process is not giving you the much money, or you can say financial betterment, then you are changing it so that you can generate more money out of it. So primary goal is to identify revenue sources, new revenue sources by improving product value and how the products are delivered to customers. If I say you are the customer, if I say you are the customer, as a customer, you have changed from simple feature phone to smartphone, right? I don't think anybody is there who is going to bring the feature phone right now. Not at all. If his or her requirement is like that, they want the feature phone simple, definitely they will buy. But if I am going in the market and I am buying product, definitely I will see the improved product, right? So industry also has to identify so that they can improve the product value, improve the product features, and this will be delivered to the customer, which will generate revenue. So this is the primary goal of business model innovation, and we do that. I'm studying. Even in your case, I will say that if you're studying 3 hours and you're getting 60% marks, definitely you want to get more marks. You have to study well, or more than that, right? Systematically, some planning will be there so that you can go for 4 hours studying and you will get 70. So improvement, you also want it. So similarly, the organizations also want money, they want revenue, they want financial wealthness, and so that they bring innovations, they bring new ideas in the product. Similar products will be again refurnished, change color, change design, something new, and they will sell same product, right? And that is the primary goal of business model innovation. Need of innovation. So why it is need? Simple, because customers are also required it. So new access path to the business and direct interaction with the customers easy and existing. If we find out the ways, new ways, so that business can be done, then definitely there will be a direct interaction with the customers who want that kind of innovation. I don't want if again and again my mobile is ringing. I don't want every time I will put my hand in the pockets and I will see, open it and I will see who's calling, whose message is there. And normally what happens, out of 50, 40 calls will be spams. So if 50 time I am giving attention, this will get my time. Unnecessarily, I am getting disturbed in between. So that was my requirement. And this requirement is given to the industry. How? When there are direct communicating paths, there are new access paths so that customers can interact with the company. Customers can put their requirements to the industry organization, which is available, and then the company will find out some solutions and come up with good products. So this kind of access becoming fast and very easy. You can see there will be a survey. There will be simple link. They sometime organizations maybe you are getting such kind of messages. Organizations send you the message and they say mail us that whatever problem you are facing right now. The feedbacks. Sometime if you use something, some services, at the end they will ask give the feedback based on some ratings, some stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Sometimes they ask to return you can say written text from you regarding the feedback, and this is what the different ways of interactions between the industry. So new access paths to the business and direct interaction with the customer easy and existing, and that's why there is a need of innovation. New communication channels now fast due to use of internet, more powerful with low cost of computers, mobile communications, cloud computing. So all these technologies are available which provides you the communication channels which are very fast. So that is what a need of innovation. So we have to change. Now out of 190 people are using internet. Out of 190 people have computers, laptops, mobiles. They are using cloud. They are storing the data on the cloud. So all this will provide you the communication channel between the services and the customers. And every time they want very fast. And that is where the need of innovation lies. Maybe you heard or it is implemented, I don't know. But WhatsApp is coming with pay option now. So WhatsApp application, mobile application is providing you to communicate with the you can say friends, people. You can form groups, you can chat, and you can send the messages, video calls, text messages, audio calls. Now using WhatsApp now, the company. So this is the financial organization. You can say a simple organization, which is coming with new feature because there is a requirement. There is a requirement of people. There is a requirement of customer. Customer wants this feature, and company is bringing that. Definitely, they will charge for something, and due to that, there will be a new revenue which will get generated. So that is the need. Direct interactions at lower cost. Therefore, the channels to reach customers need modification in the marketing channels deployed earlier. There was a change you observed. You are the witness of this change. The lines which I have read, the meaning I'm telling. So you are witness of this. How I will say tell you. Before Geo introduced the free plan, I'm not a let me tell you, I'm not anybody's brand ambassador to tell about them, but just look the scenario in different aspect. So before Jio is introducing the free plans of internet access data and free voice call, right? You observe how many people are doing the recharges and accessing the net, are doing recharges and calling. Very few, 10%, I'll say. If there is a requirement, then and then only net packages or data packs are recharged and people are using it. When Jio came, now as a financial organization, I will say, they come up with good ideas because they find that people are very low and the money which is getting generated is very low. So how to increase it? So there is a lure to people. We can lure means anybody? Do you know the meaning of lure? Am I audible? Anybody knows the meaning? Am I audible? Tushar? Tushar Nimbalkar. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of lure? Lure.
No, 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 sir, no,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Anybody else? Lure means lalach. म्हणजे जिओनी काय केलं की आपल्याला एक लालच दाखवला असा घ्या फ्री घ्या डेटा वापरा फ्री कॉलिंग करा तास तास बोला मित्रांशी मैत्रिणींशी कारण का त्या अगोदर जर काम असेल तरच आपण रिचार्ज करत होतो आपण 25 40 रिचार्ज करत होतो 40 रुपये मिळाले किंवा त्याचं काही जे काही येते यू कॅन से व्हॅल्यू मे बी 33 रुपीज और काय त्यातच आपण कॉल करत होतो आपण एअरटेलचा पॅक घेत होतो दिस इज रियालिटी की 10 पैसेला 1 मिनिट आहे म्हणून 10 पैसे पर मिनिट मग त्याचं पण ड्युरेशन असायचं एवढ्या वेळापासून एवढ्या वेळेपर्यंत आणि तेवढंच बोलायचे लोक मग त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त बोलायचं असेल आणि नसेल तर परत छोटा रिचार्ज मारायचा परत 10 रुपयाच मारायचा असं करायचं ज्यांचं खूपच बिझनेस मोठा आहे आणि त्यांना लागता मग ते मोठा रिचार्ज करत होते म्हणजे मला काम असेल तरच मी डेटा पॅक घेणार मला काम असेल तरच मी माझं रिचार्ज करणार आणि तरच मी मोबाईल वापरणार दॅट वॉज द सिनारिओ डेफिनेटली दॅट वॉज द सिनारिओ and everybody was witnessed it. The Geo came, they have changed. They come up with the good innovation, good or bad, I don't know, but they come up with the innovation. So they, why you are talking less? I'm providing platform. Talk more freely. You don't have to pay at all. Talk freely. Why you are limiting? Access internet freely. Download movies and do anything. Maybe download the good videos of technical things and learn it. This is what they come up and they changed the habits of people by providing the free. That was the strategy. So that was a new innovation, new idea. And after that, they started to charge. Right? So today I am getting that pack, which will give me free calling for entire month, which will give me daily 1 GB, 1 GB, mind you, internet. Maybe it is more than that, 2 GB, something like that. And people got habited. Now they recharge for 3 months and use daily 1 GB internet. They started to search, surf websites, these YouTubes and all the stuff. This is how the revenue is generated. So this is the idea, innovation, where these kind of channels, communication channels, reach to the customers and they deployed. So they deployed the 3G, then 4G coming. Maybe 5G will come. 4G will give you the fastest access. You just click the website, within seconds it will get open. That was not happening previously. So this is how the organizations changed. They provided the channels and which they implemented and customers are started to use. Customers are increased. If previously only 10% are visiting YouTube, now 99% people are visiting YouTube for different purposes. They also got bored because nothing new was there. Then creation of new things on the YouTube is started because people are there. So this is how the ideas are implemented. This is how the analysis is done. So customers having faster and multi-channel information access and better search options. So I do have better search option now. If I'm traveling, still I can use internet. It was not happening previously because in traveling range was not there. So at all I have to search, then I have to go to any cafe or the place where my laptop is there, lab is there, computers are there, and the internet is there. Then only I can search. Now it is not the case. If I am traveling, if I am sleeping, if I am eating, at the same time also I can access the internet with same speed. That is what the change. So these channels हे जे प्रोव्हाइड केलं गेलंय तुम्हाला फास्ट इंटरनेट ऍक्सेस कुठेही कधी तुम्ही करू शकता. हे प्लॅटफॉर्म प्रोव्हाइड केलंय, हे चॅनल प्रोव्हाइड केलंय कुणीतरी, अँड दॅट वॉज स्टार्टेड. Business transactions become easier and partly automated. That is what we have discussed. WhatsApp is coming with pay option. By using WhatsApp you can pay money, you can you are purchasing something, you can do the transaction. Google Pay came, Phone Pay came, Paytm was there. Now this is new which is coming now. Maybe more than that, there are 1,000 applications which are allowing you to access or do the transactions by using mobiles applications. So business transactions becoming easier and partly automated. Information about customers becoming valuable asset. Your information, you're searching, you tried going different websites, searching the internet, doing all these things. This was information which has given organization again one more different view. They find out what you search, what you like the most, and such products are introduced in the market. Or this information they can sell to other organizations. So information about customers is becoming valuable asset, and next 15-10 years will be more valuable, mind. And the countries which are under development like India, definitely their span not limited to 20, 10 or 15 years. It will be more than that, maybe 30-40 years. Maybe in upcoming years we'll drive a car, just sleep in the car and car is getting driven. Nothing, you're not touching steering and nothing. The car is going, just you have to tell you the destination. It will search the path, it will adjust the speed and everything. Just you have to sit cool and calm. Maybe it will come. Because there is a need of innovation. New price models need to be worked out in wider ICT usages environment, making prices highly competitive. Currently, the ICT technology which we are using, I am delivering a lecture to you, and at sitting at your best, you can say places, homes, very comfortably, you can listen my lecture, you can attend my lecture. This is happening, and this is called as a ICT tools. So these kind of environments are developed. Building of this decentralized models with the customer at center stage. Business models now have to be customer centric. Now there are number of tools available. You are not too limited to a single application. Mind you do have option of Zoom. You do have option of this Google Meet. You do have an option of Microsoft. Again, one more product is there, and such a number of options are available. And all these options are providing the services to whom? To the customers. So customer is at center stage, and based on his requirement, the models are developing. So all these decentralized models with the customer at center stage are getting developed. Business models now have to be customer centric. Flexible value chain model which reacts fast with varying customer requirements is getting developed, and it is deployed. Deployed means it is already in existence, which you are using, I am using. Needed faster introduction of new products and new portfolio strategies due to better search options with the customers. It is there. Previously only, I can say Facebook was there. Facebook now supported by WhatsApp. Now there is Instagram, there is LinkedIn. So all these are new products which provide you the portfolio strategies. You can search there, you can meet people, new people. You can search if some topic related experts are there. You can search them and you can visit and you can become friends over there. You can send them the messages, they can communicate, they will tell you the information. If I am having any problem in IoT, I can search who are the better persons in the IoT expert on these Facebooks, Instagrams, LinkedIn. Yeah, very easily there will be 100 names will come if you are searching, and one of them you can choose and interact. They will tell you the next things, they will explain whatever problems you are facing, the solutions. So this is what the coming up, and everything is at center, the customer requirements. I am in need, I do have 100 solutions available. So such kind of channels are provided, such kind of communication channels are available. So we'll see the figure offering internet-based railroad predictive analytic and maintenance scheduling due to the internet-based operations as business model innovation with uses of IoT, data analytics, and visualization technologies. So how the cost structures are there? Cost structure is a turnkey installation. There are operations and maintenance of sensors which are developed, installed, gateway servers, internal servers, and software developing and maintenance. All these things are there, which are cost structures, which require some cost. And using these costs, they are developed because the revenue they will give you back, generate, is huge. Remember, it's a huge. Example I have told, I have started with the case study, smartwatch. What this smartwatch will give you, it will analyze. Just you have to wear it, that's it. You are wearing your slept. In the morning when you wake up, maybe at 7, 8 around, and if you search the analytics, it will give you the all things. How was your sleep? Whether it is a deep or not. Which will analyze your further requirements. How much energy, K calories you want to burn, how much calories you gained, how much calories you do have a less. All these things. And how? Because there is a application. So all this information which is collected through the sensors of smart watch are communicated through the channels provided, through the interfaces provided to the application, which is a cloud-based application. Cloud again is installed, or cloud is available with high capacity servers, central servers, software servers, or gateway servers. All these things are there. And these servers, what they do, they have developed such a way that they will collect all your information and finally they will generate the analysis report to you, which you can see. They will show you the paths. Last 10 days, how was your sleep, and today how it was. It will give you analysis, what is required to do, what is less, what is extra. More and more people are joining to this, definitely more and more money will be there. And to provide these services, you require all this. There is that. So revenue streams, customization fee and annual fees for software and hardware maintenance, which are getting. Now Jio is getting 3 months recharge, 3 months 2 GB per day plus calling entire month free, and cost is 599, right? 600. So monthly 200. And if you require more than this, again you can recharge. You can get extra data pack, extra calling availability facilities. So this is how again revenue will be generated. Channels, all the channels are available. No limitation. Key resources, there are ultrasonic sensor networks, internet, descriptive, prescriptive, and predictive analytical softwares. All these things are available, which you are using apart from getting detailed information. You are using internet. I will say 24/7 you are using internet nowadays. When you are going to sleep, you take the smartphone, check WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and check. Any new notification, any message is there? If yes, you are replying. Before sleeping, you take care that, I don't know all of you are doing this or not, but you take care that anything, any information, any messages came from my friends. If yes, reply. If no, send them message and you go to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, first thing you are doing, I'm sure, you take mobile phone and check any new thing is there, any messages on WhatsApp or somewhere else. Then you start your day. So all these resources are available. Such networks are available. Internet, descriptive, prescriptive, all these analytical softwares. As I said, I have given example of a smartwatch. There are analytical softwares which are ready inbuilt, which will give the analysis. Out of 6 hours, how much hours your sleep was deep? 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is. I don't know, but that watch knows what is meant by deep sleep, and it will give you. It will count starting with started time, end time, and will give you analysis that out of 6 hours you slept deeply for 4 hours. And if it is sufficient, they will say you are fresh now. Your body is completely okay. So all these things are there. Key partners to provide these services: internet, sensor networks, servers, gateway servers, central servers, analytical softwares, all these things. There are partners which provide you. There are key activities. There are value propositions, customized reliability for 24 by 7, as I said. Your Geo network will be there. Your Airtel, your Vodafone, Idea, all these networks, if you are the customers, they are available. Yeah, apart from some issues, but they are available 24 by 7. They will provide you the services. The customer relationship is maintained. Why they are designed for? They are designed for internet-based railroad predictive analytic and maintenance scheduling. To provide all these things, to provide WhatsApp application without fail work, this is required, and that is how they are designed for. They are designed for industry IoT, industrial Internet of Things products, which are designed by the company. There is IoT 4.0 industry standard product, which is given. All these things taken care, and every day they will think about not only providing the better services, but regarding maintenance also, and with coming with new good innovative ideas. So these are the offerings provided on internet based things, and IoT is one of it. And to provide it, all these things are required. You required some innovative ideas, you required some innovative channels, platforms, internet, servers, all these things. New business model innovation. What is that? We'll see now. Shift to the creation dimensions by use of key resources shown in the figure. The use of new technologies and communication channels provide fast real-time sensor network, data collection, and analysis of that collected data, becoming a decisive factor for successful business. Yes. Very recent example that the examination is happened using all these things. You have given example examination, if at all not regular, but maybe some backlog students have given examination. How they have given examination? They have used this all this the figure things, internet resources, servers, all these things. Maybe they are connected to wired internet or wireless, mobile, service providing plans, and they have given the examination. Question is coming, they have taken the screenshot, shared to the students, friends, they coming or answering the correct answer, and then the student is selecting the correct answer. This is how the examination was conducted, right? Use of all ICT technologies. Jokes apart, but all the things are started to use this, and they are there, they are using it. Some, yeah, some problems are there. Some students failed because the poor connection, the range is not there. Log in, log out, log in, log out. Due to that, their time given span is gone. Those things are also there, but maximum students benefited by the good speed provided by the Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, Jio, I can say, if they are the customers, and using all these networks, all these channels, platforms, they have given the examination. They logged on to the university provided website, and they have given the examination. So there are five innovative drivers which, given this business model: customer neighborhood production units for fast deliveries and local sales, customer involvement from the beginning, revenues from new sales instead of maintenance, decentralized production and service, client contribution, open source design and procurement, significantly reduced the capital expenditure. I'll tell you one example. Maybe you have used recently. There was a sale by Amazon and Flipkart. Yeah, yeah, Diwali sale. They have given very good, you can say, offers, and customers brought it or buy the products, and that figure yet to come, but it was in again crores. So this is the new model, new, you can say, concept coming up: buying online, and things are delivered within 3 days, 2 days. So again, more local sales, customer involvement started. सेल है, चलो सर्च करो कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स है, कौन सी बेटर ऑफर है, सर्च करो और ले लो. Revenues from new sales instead of maintenance. That is what I'm giving example. If my one of the products, suppose headphones are not working properly, voice is not coming, teacher is teaching is again and again asking whether you are audible, but my headphone is not giving me the good result. What I do, rather than preparing it, rather than repairing it, what I do, I buy a new one. Boat, चलो बोट है, यमा है, बहुत सारे हैं, बाल, बाइट, they are very good, voice is clear, loud, and I am happy. So rather than maintenance, new sales are more, and through that revenues are generated. Decentralized production and service. These headphones are coming. I'm purchasing in Pandharpur, and those are not prepared manufactured in Pandharpur. Maybe somewhere around India, more far away from my location, or maybe out of India. So there is not centralized process. There is a decentralized production and service. You need in Pandharpur. Okay, we will deliver. We will bring it from USA. No problem. You don't worry about it, and you will get it free delivery charges. Why? Because you want it. We will give you decentralized. इथंच होतं आणि इथंच मिळतं असं पण नाही, कुठं पण तयार होऊ दे, ते तुम्हाला दिलं जातं. मी फक्त प्रोडक्ट बद्दल बोलत नाही, सर्व्हिस बद्दल पण बोलतोय. मला लागतंय, मला ऍप्लिकेशन वापरायचं आहे, यू कॅन यूज इट. Let it be wherever it is developed, no problem, you can get it, because there are channels, there are this kind of platforms developed. क्लायंट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करतो कारण तो रिक्वायरमेंट देतो. मी सारखं ओपन करतो गुगलवर आणि काय करतो, किंवा हे ॲप्लिकेशन असते ॲमेझॉनवर किंवा किंवा काय, मग मी ड्रेसेस चेक करतो आणि स्पेसिफिक कलरचे चेक बघतो, वेगवेगळे डिझाईन बघतो, फक्त चेक करतो, घेत नाही. पण इथे कंपनीला काय कळतं की तुम्ही काय बघताय सध्या, किती वेळ घालवलाय त्याच्यावर, कुठले प्रोडक्ट्स, कुठल्या कॅटेगरीला क्लिक केलंय, कुठल्या साईजला क्लिक केलंय. दे आयडेंटिफाय हाऊ मेनी सच पीपल आर देअर. If double XL particular product is searched, and if it is pink or blue color, they will identify that this is the popular color, this is the fashion nowadays. So suddenly all the manufacturing, cloth manufacturing organizations, they will get this data from somebody, maybe purchasing, and they start preparing new styles, new designs in the blue and pink color and of this size. So automatically next week, next sale is there, all these products will be available. Then you will get, oh, किती छान आहे, किती अजून ऑप्शन्स मिळाले मला. मला कॅम स्कॅनर पाहिजे, मला डॉक्युमेंट सर्च करायचं, कॅम स्कॅनर बॅन आहे, काय करायचं. मला तर डॉक्युमेंट सर्च, मी जातो प्ले स्टोअरला, स्कॅन करायचं ॲप्लिकेशन आहे का, लिस्ट येते तिथे, आणि तिथे लॉग इन असतं तुमचं. मग ते लॉग इनवरून कळतं की तुम्हाला आता हे ॲप्लिकेशन पाहिजे, ही सर्व्हिस पाहिजे, लगेच तुम्हाला सजेशन्स येतात, मेसेज येतात, आमचं वापरा, आमचं चांगलं आहे, आमचं फ्री आहे, आमचं हे फीचर चांगलं आहे, हे फीचर चांगलं आहे. Directly or indirectly, client contribution is there. And significant reduce capital expenditure. याला काही जास्त खर्च लागत नाही. पण तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस ते परचेस करता, ऑटोमॅटिकली आय एम गेटिंग बेनिफिटेड. इफ आय एम my cost is 50 rupees to give you this platform, definitely when you buy, you are buying that product for maybe 1,000 and more than that, so I'm getting benefited. So these are the 5 innovation drivers which are the business models are implementing so that they can generate revenue. So that's it from my side for this lecture. So how the strategies are changed and how the business model is coming, how the new innovations, new ideas are coming up, and how they are generating the revenue. So this is what the scenario. We'll stop here. Any doubt, anything from your side? I think it was simple to understand. Yeah, some terms are there which requires, but slowly you will get it. At least just idea you get it, that how business models are developed, what is their strategy. The strategy is to go for new things, new innovative ideas, add features and sell them. And the platforms are available. Everybody is now coming on internet. Everybody is online. Everybody is following this. And more people are yet to come. So this is a more good opportunity which is looked by the industries. I'll stop here. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Else we'll go to last part. To start taking attendance. First 10 roll numbers, 1 to 10. Type your roll numbers. First 10, 1 to 10. Type your roll numbers. Am I audible? 1 ते 10 कुणी आहे का? कोले आहे का कोले? Okay. 11 to 20. Type your roll numbers. 10, 14, 19, 16, 20. 16, okay. 20, 19. Yes, 21 to 30. This is the final attendance which I am going to consider. 21 to 30, 21, 27, 24. 12, 28. Okay. 31 to 40. 31 to 40. 33, 30, 23, 40, 39. Okay. 41 to 50. 51 to 60. 61 to 70. Abhita is not there today. Okay, Abhita is absent. Abhita is there?
Yes, sir.
You typed your roll number?
Yes, sir, 52.
Yes. Okay. Okay, I got it. If anybody's remained, you can type your roll number fast. 70 up to 70 is over. 72 is there. 71, 72. ओके. सागर 13. एवढं लेट आहे का तू? ऐकतोय का? जाऊन बसला कुठे? म्यूट करून. सागर. ओके. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. टेक केअर. स्टे सेफ. You can leave the meeting, no problem.
हॅलो सर.
हां, बोला.
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आला त्याच्यामुळे माझे म्हणजे रोल नंबर टाईप नाही झाला लवकर.
ओके. रोल नंबर सांगा.
45.
45 ना? ओके. प्रेझेंट मार्क केलं. ठीक.
सर
हां.
38.
38. ओके, मार्क.
हां